automated chat, or an actual person? Hello everyone, I'm Will Amosich, welcoming you to an episode of BotSplash TV, where we will examine how live agents and automated chats differ and complement each other within customer engagement. Automation thrives in predictive circumstances. Scenarios that are repetitive or demand the same responses are best left to automation, as it is more accurate and error-free than human interaction. However, providing live agent support builds agent-client relationships and basically aids in overall customer retention. BotSplash aims to combine both experiences through its chatbot. Automated text prompts allow consumers to engage with the chatbot by themselves, answering questions and providing information before passing it on to a live agent, only when the consumer is ready to engage with an actual person. If you use chat deployments on your website or on other communication channels, feel free to share your experiences down below in the comments. Thank you all for watching BotSplash TV. I'm Will Amosich.